The question is, answer the question number 17 and 18 on the basis of information given in columns 1 and 2. Match the reactant in column 1, that is these are the reactants, and with the possible intermediates and products of column 2. Okay, so these are the intermediates and the products. So kindly note down this table for the question number 18 video as well, as this table will be not present in that video. So note this first. Next, which of the following is correct? Okay, so note down these options because on next slide we will see the possible reactions, and then by noting these you can compare and find the correct answer. Okay, so correct answer is A, as you will see later on when you will compare, and these are the possible set of reactions which will occur in the final product in the products. Okay, so A is combination for P, S and R will be correct.